Hello students, today we will learn about dictionary in Python. Python dictionary is an unordered collection of items where each item is a key value pair. Keys are unique in dictionary. Keys are immutable. That means keys cannot be changed. Dictionary is mutable. You can change in dictionary. Syntax of creating dictionaries: you will first write dictionary name. This is the then you will write is equal to, then curly braces. This is key 1. You will give user defined key 1 colon value 1 comma, then key 2 colon value 2 comma, key 3 colon value 3. Like this you will proceed. Now I will create here a dictionary. D is equal to empty curly braces. This is, I have created empty dictionary. Suppose I say print D. You see, empty curly braces, that means you have created empty dictionary. Now suppose I want to add some elements in this. I will write index value. Suppose I say 1. 1 is my index value, 10 is its value, comma, 2 colon 20. 2 is key, 20 is value, comma, 3 colon 30. 3 is key value and 30 is value. 3 is key and 30 is value. So now I will run it. You can see this is how you can create a dictionary. For this here you can write string value also. Suppose I write 1, 2, 3. I will save it and run it. So this way you can create. Key value can also be your characters. Key cannot be same. You have to give different for the key value. So this is how you can create a dictionary. If you want to check the data type, you will write type. Type is the function to check data type. This is dictionary. So you can give any key value. Suppose I am giving input is my key and its value is keyboard. Output. Suppose output is monitor. Like this, you can create your dictionary. I will save it and run it. Save and run it. You can see input, keyboard, output, monitor. Now there is another way also. Suppose for creating an empty dictionary, you can use DICT keyword to create empty dictionary. So you will save it and run it. You can see you have created empty dictionary. Now in this, if I want to add my elements, I will write D with the square bracket as key value is equal to its value, that is 1. We're going to close. D key value is 2, key is 2 and its value is 2. Like this you can create your dictionary. You can see. Now suppose you want to access your element. So I can say, suppose I want to access element present on my key value 1. Suppose I want to access my value for key 2. So this is how you can access. Now for print statement, you can also write it like this. Within inverted comma, it will come as it is DIC dictionary, or I can say my dictionary name is D. Within square bracket, I can give its key value, that is 1, colon, I will close inverted comma, so that 1, and I want to display at index value 1. So this is, I give index here, now it will display like this. Whatever is written within inverted comma will come as it is, and this will display the value on key 1. Now traversing through a dictionary, that means accessing each element of the dictionary. And present my dictionary, I have 2 elements only. So you can increase also depending on your choice. For I in D column, print at I will be your index value, comma, column will come as it is because it is written in inverted comma, comma, D within square bracket I. It will give the value of key I. I will run it. Repeat. Now suppose I want to add. Suppose I want to add some element in this. So how will I add? Suppose I say D3 is equal to 3. So you can add like this first. Now I will show you some more example. I am creating a dictionary D1, or I can say D is equal to, I am referring your weekdays month, MON1 as your key for Monday. Key for Monday, comma, then TUE for Tuesday, comma, TUE is key and its value is Tuesday. So at present I am adding only 2, Monday and Tuesday. Now I will print D. You can see Monday and Tuesday. Now in this I will add dictionary D is equal to, I will give key value, that is WED for Wednesday, square bracket close, is equal to Wednesday. And I will save it and I will run it. Okay. Save it and run it. So you can see Wednesday has been added. So this way you can add. Now suppose you want to do some updation. Suppose D is equal to DTHU is equal to Friday. So by mistake I have done Friday instead of Thursday. For I have to do now correction. For this I will update it. For updation, what I will do, I will write D THU key value is equal to Thursday. I will save it and run it. You can see correction has been done. So this is how you can update your dictionary. Now suppose we want to remove an item from the dictionary. For removing dictionary, you will write the word DEL for deletion, then your dictionary name, and then key value you have to give. Suppose I will delete Monday, MON. I will give Monday. Square bracket close. Now I will save it and run it. You can see Monday has been deleted. Now for deletion there is also one function known as pop. Suppose now I want to delete. So first of all I will show you this dictionary which we have created. So at present this is my dictionary. Now again I want to delete Tuesday. Now I want to delete Tuesday using pop function. I will say d dot pop within brackets. I will give the key value. For Tuesday I will give you TUA. It's my choice. I can delete any. Suppose I want to delete Wednesday. WE. Wednesday. Now I will save it and run it. So you can see Wednesday has been deleted. Now in and not in operator. Now again you can see my dictionary. Created dictionary and this is my dictionary. Now I will use the operator. Suppose I want to check MON. This is key in dictionary D. True. Suppose I check for Friday key. False because Friday is not present. Similarly in this you can use not in operator. Not in. It is not present so it will return true. Suppose I say MON. M1 is key value for Monday. I will save it and run it. Not in. It is present, so it will give false because I am checking not in. Now I will use length function in this. LEN within bracket your dictionary name. I will save it and run it. There are 4 elements: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So it has been 4. Clear will remove all the function, all these elements. Suppose I say D dot clear. I will save and run it. None. That means now it is clear. No element is present. That's why print it is giving none. Suppose I remove this clear function. Now again it will run through the starting, that means it will again create the dictionary. I will save and run. So again dictionary. That means through clear function all the elements are cleared. Or you can see it like this: D dot clear. This will be my function which will clear the dictionary. You can see this is empty dictionary. Now is the get function. Suppose I say D dot get. Within bracket I gave Monday. MON. You can get through index value. You can get through key you can access the value. So I say TUE. You get Tuesday. If suppose I write Friday, which is not present, save and run. Now that means it is not present. This was now items. Suppose I say d dot items. D dot items. Bracket start and bracket close. This is just your items. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It has given the output like this. That is complete. Suppose I say d dot keys. It has given complete. Now I say d dot keys. It has given just key values. Keys. Now I will say d dot values. It will just give values. So for if you say items, it gives keys and values both. If you say give key also and your values also. You can see here. Suppose I say keys, it will give just keys. Suppose I say values, it will just give values. You can see. So this is all about dictionary. So students, go through it. If you have any difficulty, you can message me. If you have any difficulty, you can message me. Okay class, thank you.